Sahana Bahu to my tribe. So, how are you? So, today we are going to check the current energy of your person. This person could be anyone, could be your lover, could be your boss, could be your relative, friend, anybody whom you want to know what that person is thinking about you. So, I'm going to do two piles today. Pile one is this quartz. It's called snow quartz, and here is the clear quartz flower. So, please choose intuitively any one, okay? And that is going to be your answer. All right, you can pause the video and choose. Let's start with this one, that is a snow quartz. So let's see what is the current energy of your person right now, whoever you are thinking about. I feel this person is right now, whoever you're thinking about, in a very happy and comfortable zone. This person is very happily spending time with their family, with their friends. They're sitting comfortably on their, throne and enjoying their life. They're being generous to their family members. Right now, they're enjoying their abundance, but they are thinking about moving forward. Now, this moving forward is with you, yes and no. They're confused about it. So if you're thinking about a person who you like or love and you think that this person will, uh, if you feel this person, you want this person in your life and you want this person to come back to you, but right now this person is not looking in that area. Yes, they do have that feeling that you are their best friend or soulmate, that kind of a feeling they have, but somewhere they are very stuck in their own fears. That is what I feel. Their circumstances and their fears. I feel more than their circumstances, it's their own fears. They are just fearing the situation right now. Okay. This person, I feel, is too comfortable where they are, and they feel if they move little bit also from there, they're going to lose what they have. Okay, maybe it could be that they have a very comfortable household, or maybe uh, in their family, they, he or she, whoever you're thinking about, gets a lot of respect, love. So if I move from here, then if I will get there, I will get that anywhere else or no. Also, I see a woman here, a female figure, who has all the controls. So possibly this person is married. Okay, either this person is married or this person has a very strong female figure, could be a sister, could be a mother, who is controlling the situation right now, and they feel that, oh, I see black magic also. I see black magic, I see manipulation, and very secretly, this person has, put a lot of spells and black magic, maybe tantra on this person, some kind of black energy or manipulation. I see a lot of manipulation also, and doesn't want this person to move away from their comfort zone, because they are also benefiting with their presence, because they are being generous to their family. And this family, wherever they're living, their own family, is not going through a good time financially. So they feel if this person leaves, I don't know what will happen to our finances. Okay. So here you need an extended reading, I'm telling you, because there is black magic, there is manipulation, and this person is being majorly manipulated. Majorly manipulated. There is a very strong energy. I see a strong manipulation or a strong spell that has been put around the house, where this person is not able to detach from there. Okay? Wow. That's really strong. This person really needs to see, because I feel there is some kind of veil in his eyes that he's not been able to see the truth. But I feel is that very soon this person will see the truth, will feel cheated, and this person will feel betrayed very soon. Okay, but till that time comes, this person is not coming back. So to know the time span, how many months, how many years, or how many days it will take for this person to come to you, you will have to take an extended reading. Right now it's a very big battle to win. So I feel very strongly that you really need to keep patience in this situation. Let me see, should you wait or no? Should the viewer wait or no? I feel right now you should just work on yourself. Just go ahead with your life. Let time tell. If you feel like moving on at this moment, you can, because this situation is going to take a little longer time than you expected. So it's up to you now. What universal message I am getting is that intuitively that you should go ahead and live your life. Just work on yourself, live your life. Don't bother too much, because the more you are struggling with this relationship, the more the black magic is activating. That is what I feel. So if you let the situation go, it will fall out on its own, and you will see this person coming back to you. Wow. Black magic, my god, is becoming like an epidemic now. Okay. So let's see pile 2. Pile 2, which was a clear chords. Let's see pile 2. Whoever you are thinking about, could be anybody, could be a lover, could be a boss, could be a friend, or anybody else. Current energy of this person right now. Tell me, universe, what is in store? What is happening right now in that person's mind? That person feels as if you are his or her twin flame. And I also see a third party here. So could be this third party is a wife. Universe, tell me yes and yes. So probably this person is married, or there is some third person in this relationship who is controlling right now. This person could be a mother also, huh? Mother who is controlling the situation. I see how is this situation going to turn out and what is this person thinking right now. This person is all in their emotions, all in their emotions. They're wanting to move forward, but at the same time, what is stopping them then? Their perspective. I feel that they are only looking into the directions where there's a lot of negative thinking. This person is seeing that what happened in the past between us, it didn't work out, we were fighting, we were doing this, we were doing that. And I also get a message of lies. Somebody lied to somebody. Either you lied to this person or this person lied to you. So because of that, this person does not feel like coming forward, and this person is not in a good state of mind right now. Feeling very depressed, looking into negative direction. I'm feeling very moody right now. This is the message I'm getting. I'm feeling very moody right now. I don't know whether I still love you. I don't know whether things will work out between us. These are the messages I'm getting. This person is waiting very patiently for things to change. Ego, father figure. Anybody who's a male, either this person is a male or you are a male who's watching. The male, the block is coming from the male side, masculine side. Maybe your father or this person's father is a very big problem here, and also ego. A lot of hurt feelings. I'm confused right now. I don't know. I feel very, very, very toxically attracted to you, but at the same time, I feel scared to step forward. These are the messages I'm getting. But things are changing, things are turning. This person is right now not ready to open up and come towards you. This person is feeling very frustrated. Probably this is a long distance relationship for few of you. A lot of fear of family, lot of fear of status. The situation is totally stuck. You must tell me whether this situation will open up soon. Will this person step forward? Will something open? Not right now. This situation will open up, but not right now. It will take a little more time, and I feel that this person will come out of his or her whatever the gender is, and will come forward himself or herself towards you. But time span, I cannot tell you right now. You need a personal reading for that. But this person will come back for sure. But right now, they are going through something really. Their mind is confused. They're feeling depressed. They're feeling a lot of fears. They feel stuck and everything. But they will come forward. The good news is that they will come forward and they will propose you for marriage. But not right now. Right now, they are all in their negativity, all in their situation. So you need to maybe have more patience in this situation. You need to just wait for this person to call you, text you, come back to you themselves. Right now, I will not advise you to reach out. Not right now, maybe after a month or two, you can. Not right now, but this person will come himself or herself to you to propose marriage. But not right now. Be patient. Okay, that's all. These were two piles. I hope you like my reading. Please comment in the comment box if anything comes true. Okay, that's all for today. Hari Om Tat Sat.